Hey guys, this is Gino from GT Creations. I'm back with another unboxing. Recently, I have done a detailed review of LG SPK8S surround wireless speaker package. This time, I'm going to unbox and review LG SL7Y soundbar. This is a budget 2019 soundbar from LG, but you might get this one for a better price in 2020. Please watch the entire video as I will be comparing it with the 2020 soundbar models. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing. This helps a lot. The front right and left speakers delivers a power of 80 watt each, while the center speaker delivers 40 watt for a crisp, clear center channel dialogues. The subwoofer delivers a decent 220 watt lows, which brings the total power output of this 3.1 soundbar to 420 watts. When clubbed with LG SPK8S, which delivers 70 watt each, will make the movie watching and gaming experience to another level. Coming on to connectivity options, the LG SL7Y has a USB 2 port, SPD-IF optical port, HDMI in and HDMI out ports which support ARC function. Wall mounting brackets are provided if you wish to wall mount it instead of keeping it on the tabletop. The soundbar will not block any visible area of the display when placed in front of the LG TV. In this case, the soundbar is placed in front of 55-inch LG C9 OLED TV. Soundbar can be controlled using provided remote controller. However, for some of the settings, you may need to install the LG Speaker app. The LG SL7Y supports Chromecast audio. All you need to do is open the Google Home app and add the casting device. This way, the entire audio of your connected device will be casted to the soundbar. You also got the option to cast individual music streaming apps. The soundbar can be connected to the TV in three ways. To connect using TV's inbuilt Bluetooth function, go to Sound Settings on the TV, select the sound out and connect to the soundbar. The volume can be adjusted using LG's Magic Remote. The most preferable way to connect the soundbar to TV is using HDMI Arc. Connect one end of the HDMI cable into the Arc port on the TV and other end to the HDMI sound out on the soundbar. The digital sound output can be set to auto. The volume can be controlled using LG's Magic Remote controller. The connection can also be made with the optical cable which comes along with the soundbar. Make sure that the digital sound out is set to pass through and LG SoundSync is turned off in order to get 5.1 audio channel. If you don't use surround speakers, setting can be set to auto and LG SoundSync can be turned on. If the LG SoundSync is turned off, you may no longer be able to control the volume using Magic Remote. To enable this, you may need to add soundbar in the home dashboard. Now we will demonstrate some of the DTS and Dolby soundtracks.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene.
Your vehicle inside the road.
Whoa! What is this place? Ah! Come on, you guys, let's go!
Or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Now we will compare the 2019 model SL7Y with the 2020 model SN7Y. SL7Y is a 3.1 soundbar, whereas SN7Y is a 3.1.2 soundbar with a top-firing Atmos speakers. Coming on to connectivity options, the SN7Y dominates the 2019 model with the HDMI 2.1 connectivity and possible eARC functionality. One of the major improvements over the 2019 model is the supported audio formats. Now the 2020 model supports uncompressed audio formats and object-based audio formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. But as you can see, there is a reduction in total sound output for the 2020 model. The front left and right channels output only 30 watts instead of 80 watt in the 2019 model. Coming on to the physical dimensions, the 2020 model is little more wider in order to accommodate the top-firing Atmos speakers. Chromecast functionality is missing in 2020 model as well. Now let's see how the SN7Y is compared with the SN9YG, which is one step higher in the 2020 lineup. SN9YG is a 5.1.2 soundbar with added virtual sound speakers. Both are having Dolby Atmos front up-firing speakers. The SN9YG is having a more powerful 50-watt up-firing front speakers, which gives more immersive top-channel experience. As the sound is reflected from the ceiling before it reaches the listener, it is always good to have a higher power output for those up-firing speakers. The SN9YG supports smart features like Google Assistant and Chromecast, which is missing in SN7Y. So the final question is, which LG soundbar is best suited for you? To answer this question, if you just need a soundbar to replace the TV speakers and your budget is limited, I would recommend you to get the 2019 SL7Y model. If you are able to spend a little bit more, you can always consider SN7Y and SN9YG. Please like this video if you find it useful. Also remember to subscribe for more videos from us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.